everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany Quinn, and today's workout is going to be all about that back, chest, upper body, including the shoulders, to help form that hourglass X-frame physique. Now, we will be using a long band for this workout, and if you want, I would also have nearby a lightweight set of dumbbells, and I'm going to show you how to use those in addition to if you want to make these even harder. It's going to be 7 different exercises today. We're going to do 40 seconds for each exercise with 20 seconds rest between. So let's get started just by warming up the upper body. So we're going to start off with some triceps dips, and we are going to start in about 15 seconds. So I'll just show you how you're going to position yourself first. Your hands are going to be facing your feet. You're going to lift up, and you're going to press into those palms, coming down and up in 3 and 2. You guys ready? And 1. Let's get into position. Now plant those hands on the floor, come down for me, and lift up nice and high. So right here, you want your hands directly below the shoulders. So straight line there, and only pressing through those palms. So it's not a motion of the hips that we're doing here. We're using our shoulders and our back and pressing through the palms. Just face straight ahead and know that this is just the beginning of the workout. Every exercise after this, it is going to get harder, and it is really going to help you tone up and feel that burn. So just think about the results you're going to get. For 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, gently bring yourself down onto your booty and grab that long band. Now, if you want, you can also grab those weights. So you're gonna wrap the band around the tops of your shoulders here, come down to the bottom of your mat. You can loop around the thumbs here. Elbows are out wide, and we're gonna press up towards the ceiling, squeezing our abs in as well, keeping the back flat against the mat in 3, 2, 1, press up nice and high. So this is working the chest area. So really, you want to think about that mind and muscle connection here, squeezing the chest muscles at the top and coming back down almost to the floor, but not actually touching it. You really want to feel that burn, guys. Really tone those muscles and think about the results that you're going to have by the end of this. Now, for this workout, since it is part of the Hourglass program, I want you to do this 7 times through, paired with number 4. So day 4 from the playlist below, you're going to pair this workout with that 7 times through, and you are going to start to see a result. Press up again for me for 3 and 2. Last 1 and release. So take that band and you're going to flip it around over to the bottoms of your feet. So this time we're going to do some seated rows. You don't have to use the dumbbells, but I would definitely encourage you to. Palms are facing in here, slight bend in the knee, and we're going to row back, squeezing the shoulders back as we come towards the waist. In 3, 2, 1. Squeeze those elbows in towards the waist and squeeze the shoulders at the back. So imagine right now you had a sponge between your shoulder blades and you were trying to squeeze the water out of that sponge. You want to get every last drop. So squeeze those shoulder blades nice and tight. Here we go, guys. Starting to feel that burn, right? Make sure those shoulders are back and down, face straight ahead. And if you want to make this harder, just straighten the legs out. And then you're going to have more tension on that band. Try to lift the arms up a little bit higher in front, really working the shoulders and the back muscles. Woo! For 3 and 2. On 1, I want you to hold this for the rest. If you can, if you need to take that rest, not a problem, but really try to hold it, holding those elbows in, squeeze them tight. This time we're going to turn the palms up for our next exercise. So same exercise, different variation of the palms. You're going to feel it a little bit different in your shoulders and your back. For 3, 2, 1, extend the arms forward. Okay, yeah, that burns. And squeeze them back. Try to keep those arms lifted just a little bit higher than what feels comfortable. Right out of your comfort zone is where those results are. And after this, guys, we've only got 3 more exercises to go, so you can make it through this. We've got 1 more exercise down here on the mat, and then 2 as we come up to standing, and I teach you another way to use these bands. Great job, everybody. Keep going. 3 and 2 and 1. Hold it for 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, gently release that down. So you can take those weights and put them over to the side for now. We're going to take that band kind of like we had in the beginning and wrap around the tops of our shoulders, holding the ends of the loops with our thumbs. Now, if you are a beginner, you're gonna come into a kneeling position with your feet on cross, and you are gonna do a push-up right down here. Those of you who are advanced, come up to those toes and do that push-up. Now, it might take you a second to get adjusted, but the more times you do this workout, the quicker you're gonna be at it, and the easier these exercises are gonna start to get. There we go. Keep doing it, guys. You've got 30 seconds left here of push-ups. Now, I'm going to tell you this is the hardest exercise of the workout, so get through this, and then I promise it's gonna be a breeze to the end. It's only 2 minutes after this. That resistance, I know it burns. Push-ups are hard enough as it is, right? But we can do hard things. For 3. You got 2 more in you. 2. Squeeze the abs in tight. Last one. Ooh, and release. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is a burner. Okay, so next exercise, we're gonna come up to standing. I need you to move a little quicker here. And you're gonna take your feet about hip-width distance apart and stand on that band. We're gonna do a front raise, coming down halfway. Let's go. Shoulders back and down, core is engaged, abs are nice and tight, and you are thinking about those results, about those sexy shoulders. You can't have a bad day when you've got toned arms, right? Or toned anything for that matter. Whew. Keep breathing. I know this one hurts. Pull up a little bit higher, all the way up to shoulder height. Drop the shoulders down, don't hunch them up, none of that. You wanna be strong, powerful, get the form right so you get the right result. For 3, oh my gosh, 2, I'm there with you, I really am. 1 and hold for 3, and 2, you got this. And 1, release those hands down. And this time, we're gonna make it harder. We're gonna pick those weights up and do a vertical row this time. If you don't wanna use the weights and it's too much, it's not a problem. You're still gonna feel that burn with this band, but we're gonna take those elbows out towards the side, up to shoulder height, and all the way back down this time. Let's get started. So lifting up, those palms are facing down. Your core is engaged here for stability, and also, I mean, it's a great way to work abs like all the time. You know what I used to do was anytime I'd hit a red light, I would squeeze my abs in, and that would be part of my ab training. So you can also do that. It'd be like a nice little challenge for yourself, right? Lift those elbows up and bring it back down. And when you finish this exercise, because it is the last one, I want you to smash that thumbs up button, and do not forget to subscribe, because we have 5 more workouts for the Hourglass Shaping Program. Keep going. 3, 2, I want you to ignore the timer. Bring it up one last time for me. For 3, 2, and 1. You can release it down. I had to finish off those shoulders and that back. Yes, I did. And also, I know you're probably feeling it right here in the chest, right? Well, these are great exercises for the back and raw bulge area. So definitely do these 7 times through. If you really are hoping to see a result, you will, so long as you're consistent. Now, speaking of consistency, right? I release new videos and new exercises every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday. So assuming you don't want to miss out on that for your own accountability, hit that subscribe button. You are going to get the notifications for every new workout, so I will be here to keep you motivated, as well as smashing the thumbs up button, because it's going to help me reach more people like you, which gives me my energy. Okay, so day 5, everybody, do this 7 times through, paired with the last workout that we did. Our next workout is coming up next, is also going to be focused on the upper body, I believe, and then we will move on to the rounder hips and the glutes, which are some of my favorites to teach, so definitely don't miss those. And I'm so proud of you for finishing that. I know it wasn't easy, and if you didn't incorporate the weights this time around on your 2nd or 3rd time around, get those weights, girl. Now shake those shoulders out. Please don't forget to stretch. There are videos here for you for that, and I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day.